Yes, how are you guys doing? This is Cool Effects right now, currently in the New York session. In the New York session, and today is 22 of December, meaning that 2 days away from celebrating the Christmas. And we know that the market are not moving as we always expected because it's December, it's holiday, guys. So the market are mostly choppy, less volatility, and there are a lot of fake outs. So beginners, you gotta be so clearly determined in what you're doing. Let's have the talk. Let's jump inside the markets. Now we can see that this is AUDUSD. It's in on the weekly time frame, brothers and sisters. What the hell is this guy doing on the weekly time frame? I'm just here to get that clarity to understand what market is doing right now. So currently we can see that we had a previous low, the whole time low. Yeah, we can say that. Okay, so we had the previous all time low, but currently price created these equal lows and these equal highs, meaning that price is consolidating. There is no opportunity to get into the market, but this is a weekly. It's not a 5 or a minute time frame, or maybe 4 hour. Now let's of the chart, less of the chart, you can see price is consolidating, meaning that price is choppy, meaning that when price is calling, let me just take it here. Now when you see, we know that when the market is consolidating, guys, we are not supposed to get inside the market because there are many chances for us to blow up our account and get losses. But as the price is consolidating on a weekly time frame, I had to just look inside the market because we see this previous eco lows just created a rejection for price to go down and took liquidity for this previous low. This was liquidity here, guys, was gathered and giving us a bullish Malubozu. You can call it a bullish Malubozu, but it's acting as a bullish engulfing candlestick, indicating buyers extremely good inside the market. And right now, speaking, the market is in an uptrend. As you can see that, right? All am I lying? Because we can see the market is in uptrend. So that's what the talk. This is the weekly time frame, so we can never ever get an entry on a weekly time frame. So we decided to go down to the daily time frame. Yeah, this is one of the most favorable parts where traders like to get inside the market. Now, after previously bullish engulfing from the weekly time frame, price managed to give us a change of character. Here, price give us a change of character, a little mitigation, and price started lowering all the way up. Yes, started lowering all the way up, but leaving these equal lows. So price was trying to go up, but they were sense of sellers inside the market, just giving us high equal lows, indicating multiple rejection for price to go all the way, like 5 6 rejection for price to continue going down, meaning that now this was an intentional bullish rejection, meaning that there are two equal lows which results for the formation of a demand zone. That's how a demand is being formed. So this low were rejection for price to go up, and after here we can see that there were very high intention of bullish intention into the market as surpassing the previous high, meaning that also giving us a change of character for price to continue pushing higher. Now to continue pushing higher. So what we can see here is after giving this demand here, rejection for price to continue shooting to the downside, we had this trend line formation. Trend line formation cause of sellers into the market. So after rallying all there, can I go to the 4 hour? Wait a minute. So after routing all the way, why am I high starting to the high time frame so that I can understand what the heck is going into the market so that I could stay at the light press of the market and to not go against the trend of the market. Now, after price gave us a bullish intention into the market closing almost higher, we had this downtrend, meaning that price after giving this previous high started creating low lows, low high, low lows, low high, low lows, low high, low lows. Rejection and price managed to surpass that downtrend, meaning that we know that when price is going down, having this trend downtrend, then prices to surpass that, we know that we have to gonna have a retracement or a correction phase due to this initiation. Now a collection, maybe until to that previous change of character. As we can see here, we had a previous lull, the previous change of character for bearish intention, that meaning showing that bearish intention inside the market is just moved out. Now price will continue after correction until to the previous high. So this is what we're really waiting to see on how the USD on the end of this year before they come in here. 2026, guys, and 2026 you have to be profitable. 2026 you have to retire your family, you have to afford anything that you want without disturbing anyone. So you're gonna focus on simple price action. After price has passed that previous downtrend, we know that prices to come and collect a collection to this uh change of collector, then price maybe will Larry have some inducement before pushing all the way up to the TP. Now yeah, before it goes all the way up here, but as clean as day, we can see that we have kind of this high, a kind of equal injection here, guys. So patiently I'll be just taking a partial profit here, then waiting for the market to also come and surpass this level latest, surpass latest, and to continue all the way bullish, because I'm afraid that if I swing need to trade, anything might happen. We'll be just taking to that high. Guys, I was literally just analyzing the market from the daily. Now guys, sorry, but we're gonna go to the 4 hour time frame. So these are the miny trade that I had. Serious, I was just taking sales on this trade. Previous low has been surpassed, collection after collection, some inducement, all noise. Let me look at this noise here. After collection, just they had to gather some liquidity, like first land, second, surpassing that low, coming to latest, then going to the downside. So those were a little trade that I had on AUDUSD. Just find something that works for you. And here also, previous low being surpassed, collection, previous lows being surpassed, collection. Man, you saw like, dang, this shit is really gonna happen. It's never coming back. So then went all the way down. The same thing here, that I'm waiting for this trade of today on AUDUSD, is that after surpassing this trend, we know that prices to come and collect and continue going up. Now this is a beautiful rally after the previous rejection on the weekly, daily rejections, which made this previous push to the upside. Now we saw that on a weekly and daily, this is acting as a previous change of character. This surprise, you can call it surprise, which has just been surpassed right here, is acting as a weekly or daily change of character, meaning prices come and collect till here or even further here, then price can vary all the way up there. So we know what the price is just gonna do next. As traders, it's just our job. Our boring part of trading is patient, waiting for what price will come and do. Now further talk is that cleanly looking here on a 4 hour time frame, is that price was rallying to the upside and managed to have this kind of mitigation, like on this uptrend. We can see that on this uptrend is that 1 2 3 4 mitigation, then giving us this high, this high here, giving us this high. After giving us that high, we see this previous lower low, meaning that high low, high low has been surpassed, my brother and sister. And always after any collection, guys, you need to wait for a candlestick closure inside the point of interest that you are interested in, either buying or selling. Like here, I'm interested in selling, so I waited patiently. Look at this weak seal ejection. They're showing that price is literally going down, but I always like the market to close by a candlestick closure inside the zone, maybe in the extreme, all in the extreme, or the point of interest, or in the Caribbean zone. So mine has just surpassed, And right now I can see that there are bearish intention into the market for me to go for a short position, guys, and that's what I'll be waiting for. Never rest, just be patient. What am I doing here? Let's go on for 1 hour. This way I'll be going for my entries. In this kind, you can call it a live trade. You can call it a live trade. On AUDUSD, let me shrink it, sorry. On AUDUSD, we had this on a 1 hour time frame. Guys, we can see that price is rallying, creating high highs, high low, consolidation, high low, equal then there's after creating this high and this high, equal high started creating low high, low high, low, another equal low, rejection, then coming to surpass here. We can see that this acting as a two double bottom. This is truly an inducement for buying to continue to go for the up move, because this is actually not what's happening. We have just moved to see what higher time frame is telling us that the market is in the collection phase. So ideally, after price has just surpassed this previous high low and having some inducement, we can see that we have one, two, the third touch of the trend line, because the market is currently trading down, so and has the third touch. Now red tree here be going for sell position, maybe waiting for also price to surpass this previous low and to retest and continue pushing downside. All in all, guys, what you have to do now, we can see that there are selling momentum inside the market, because price itself was just surpassed this previous high, acting as a market shift, a shifting structure from either the upside to the downside. And right now I'm interested to go for a short position, because I see this first, second, and third touch of the trend line, which is a potential touch on any trend line that's gonna influence the move of the collection until this higher time frame change of character. So guys, it's been happy speaking to you, and please enjoy this week. I'm just gonna make some partial profit because the week is on Christmas. I don't wanna get in right now. I don't wanna get in till I see 3 momentum candlesticks to the downside. I just love precise entries, guys. I'm sorry, I'm much kind of a clarity guy. So peace out, guys. This is Cool Effects, and remember, please invite me for Christmas, and don't leave me yapping here. My saliva is going out. So this is what you can see: the previous low being surpassed, and price is gonna shoot to the downside. Okay, I want to show you some and maybe a back testing, whatever you can call it. Do you see this low has been just surpassed, and we are closing with an initiation candlestick to the upside? Most of you will think that okay, prices just come and start taking liquidity below this low. Let me show you. I think that prices come to take liquidity below this low and giving us a two bottom that we continue for long position. But I'm telling you, this is a trap if you want to go for a long position, because the trend here is showing bearish intention and 1, 2, 3 touch, meaning that price is gonna go, because prices just surpassed this previous low. Now, what I wanted to show you is that not on the entry. Come and look here. You see, we had a breakout to double bottom, the same to here, meaning that oh my god, we are going for a long position, and look, price cleanly surpassed that previous break of structure. You can say that it was acting as a demand right now, but it was not. It was just an inducement, clean collection, then priced shoot to the downside. Not only there, let me show you here the same. Come on, yes, you can see the same, but here is just the same collection and inducement and noise, whatever, then price going on, going to the downside. So you guys waiting for a sell position will be a good idea. So see you guys, and let me wait for my clarity entry so that I could enter. I give out the signal, and bye bye. See you soon. Thank you so much. Follow me on Instagram, Guru Effects.